All right, my name is Zack Crawford, and this is my presentation on the 8 devices we've chosen for our product, the Sort It. First one, the idea is it's going to be plug-in to be powered. It's going to rotate to spin around to sort. It's going to have exchangeable different size filters, and it's going to have a dial to change the speed and turn it on and off. The next one is going to be battery powered. It's going to vibrate to sort. It's going to have built-in filters, so no exchanging, and it'll have a switch to turn on and off. Next one's going to be solar powered. It'll move side to side, and it'll have adjustable filters that you will have like a dial or something, and it'll spin and it'll make the holes smaller or bigger. And it'll be controlled through a mobile device such as your phone. Next one's going to be rechargeable. It's going to use rotation to sort. It's going to have adjustable filters again, and this one will use a dial to change the speed and turn on and off. Next is going to be battery powered. It's going to rotate circular. This is different from rotation, so it'll stay stationary and it'll move around and around. It's going to have built-in filters, and it is going to use a switch to turn on and off. The next one's going to be battery powered. It's going to go up and down, move up and down, oscillation, and then it'll it'll also have built-in filters, and this one will use a button to turn on and off. Next one's going to be rechargeable. It's going to use vibration to sort. It's going to have a built-in sorting device, and it's going to have button controls, turn on and off. The next one's going to be solar. It's going to use vibration to sort. It's going to have exchangeable different item filters. This is like, it'll have different filter for screws and bolts and Legos and modeling kits and puzzles and art supplies. And the next one is going to, and it's also going to have a remote. So this will let you have a remote, turn it off and off, change speed, all that. This is how we came up with the ideas. We had to figure out what the four main parts of the system are, and that is how it's going to get its energy, how it's going to move to sort, how the filters are going to work when it's sorting, and how to turn it on. So we went over this. We decided on batteries. We decided on a plug-in. We decided on maybe a crank, which you wouldn't use any battery. You just use a crank and you spin it. Next, and then rechargeable and solar powered. Movement, we decided on vibrations, rotations, side-to-side movement, up and down movement, and circular paths. All those could work. Filters, we did exchangeable by different size. This would be all the holes are the same shape, but they change in size. So it starts out big, gets smaller and smaller, and you get a bunch of them, from really big to very small. Next one is adjustable, which I've already gone over. Built in, these would just not change. Exchangeable, different patterns. These are different shapes for the holes. And then exchangeable, different item type. Already been over that. And then to turn on, we just have a button, a dial, a switch, a remote, and mobile. All pretty simple. Thank you for watching.